Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you this delicious Ghanaian ANGWAMO or braised rice recipe. This recipe is being inspired by Taste and Blue, one of my lovely sisters that YouTube gave me. She's so lovely, very calm, and above all, she's so amazing. And of course, don't forget as well to go on her YouTube channel at Taste and Bloom. Subscribe to her channel and please show her some love. Thank you so much for doing that. So fam, as I said, today we're going to make this special ANGWAMO. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. So to my heated pan, I'll go in with some coconut oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice, okay? I'll allow it to heat up very well, and I'm not going to be using only this coconut oil. I'll be going in with some vegetable oil as well. I'll allow it to heat up a little bit, and while that is done, I'll go in with some chopped onions. I'll fry on low medium heat until the onions becomes nice and translucent. Whilst we're frying the onions, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. So this is what really got my attention when I was watching the video. So basically, when I'm cooking braised rice, I don't do this. I don't add the sardine to the rice to cook alongside with it. If it's the water from the sardine, that's just fine. But to add the the sardine to cook alongside with the rice, then no, I haven't tried it before. But yeah, this recipe really got my attention because I know how much sardine can be very tasty in ANGWAMO or braised rice. So adding it to cook alongside with the rice was just a fabulous idea. And not just that, I really enjoyed myself as well. All you have to do is to trust the process. And so if you saw earlier on that the oil was having a little bit of bubbles, that was because I combined both my hot pressed coconut oil and also the cold pressed coconut oil. So the cold press was having a little bit of water in it. That's why it wasn't really giving that oily texture. But here we move because it's the taste that matters, okay? Alright, so now that was just by the way. After frying the onions, I went in with some rice and also some salt to taste. You can also use any local rice or any perfumed rice of your choice. Give it a good mix. I'll cover it and allow the rice to fry a little bit for about 5 minutes, and afterwards I'll go in with my water. And don't forget as well to know the type of rice that you're cooking so that you know the amount of water that you add to it. I don't really love soft rice or soft ANGWAMO, so if you love yours to become a little bit soft, then you need to go in with extra water so that you get the right consistency that you're looking for. Okay, let's give it a good mix, cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes approximately, and it should be ready. Alright, so after extra 10 to 15 minutes, this is how the rice looks like. The water has drained out a little bit, but still moist. I'll fluff it up a little bit. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes, and it should be ready. As always, you should be cooking this on low medium heat. While that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't done that yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after checking the rice for the second time, this is how it looks like. As you can see, it looks very good already. I'll fluff it up a little bit, and once that is done, I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes, and it should be ready. Alright, so after extra 5 minutes, this is what we have. The braised rice turned out just perfect. I love how it has singled out. The aroma in here is just amazing as well. All you have to do is to trust the process, and trust me, you are definitely going to love this. So after the rice is nice and ready, I'll set it aside and I'll go ahead and grind my pepper sauce. Yes, we enjoy ANGWAMO with pepper sauce, and you can enjoy yours with some tomato stew if that is what you want. But originally and authentically, yes, we enjoy braised rice with pepper sauce, and trust me, it is amazing. I'm not going to do too much with it. I'll just grind some onion, pepper, and some tomatoes. I'll grind until I reach the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. Don't forget as well to go in with some salt to taste. If you are still with me at this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after grinding the pepper sauce, I'll go ahead and fry some eggs and also some sausage as well. Feel free to use any protein of your choice, and while that is done, all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Can you do subscribe to the channel? Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Once again, thank you Taste and Bloom for this amazing recipe. Thank you everyone for watching, and kindly stay blessed. Bye. Mega favila